Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the condenser fan blade in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. If applicable, shut off the water supply as well. Have an assistant help you to roll the refrigerator away from the wall. If necessary, unthread the water supply line from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 screws to release the lower rear access panel. Reach in and push the old condenser fan blade off of the motor shaft. Install the new condenser fan blade by aligning it on the motor shaft, then push until the blade is fully seated. Reinstall the access panel. Reattach the water supply line to the inlet valve, if applicable. Secure the water line retainer under the right side access panel screw. Push the refrigerator back against the wall. Turn the water supply back on, if applicable. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.